Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add fraction additional equation in Microsoft Word using. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Word document. Now we want to add fraction addition equation in this document. Go to the insert menu. Then we can see here many options. We select the equation drop down menu and we can see here many equations. We go to the more equation from soffice.com and find the fraction addition equation. Here the fraction addition equation and we insert it to click. Now we can see we added fraction addition equation very easily. You can edit the equation, click the equation box and go to the design menu and edit some extra formula like fraction, script, radical, integral, large operation, bracket, function, accent, etc. Now I edit the text. Now we can see we added and edit the fraction addition equation in this document very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.